If you didn't read the title, this is one of my progress video to try to do this. Hopefully I can beat it. Check it out here. Wait, is that strat? Is that strat? Is that strat? Really? Is this almost close? Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god!